Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys here, and today I will introduce with all of toys, and finally I will hand driving with my hand all of toys one by one. So first introduce here, let's start. This one is a big Tata truck, and this is a YOLO black combination with some blue also. This is under construction vehicle dump truck. Next one is here. This is a Spider-Man famous car, and this Spider-Man famous car is so nice and beautiful also. This is red, black and green color also combination. Next one is here. This is a victorious army tanker with a soldier, and this is green and green with yellow with gray color combination. Next one is a multifunctional backhoe, so it's so nice, and there is so many color here: black color, orange color, yellow color, pink color with some green combination. There is a next one is here. This is R17 high speed bike here. This is a yellow and black also. Next one is a momentum to car, and this momentum to car color is pink, yellow and paste color combination. And there is the next one is a super racing car here. This is pink, paste and green color also. So guys, all of toys or vehicles here I will introduce with you, and finally I will hand driving with my hand one by one. So first hand driving here, this is racing car, cheap plastic toys racing car. So let's go, wasting any more time. Okay, I'll park here. There is the next one is a momentum to car, so I'll trying this momentum to car also. Okay, I'll park here besides of super. Okay, there is the next one is a R17 bike, so I'll trying this R17 bike also with my hand. I'll parked here besides of momentum to car. Okay, next one is a multifunctional backhoe, so I'll trying this multifunctional backhoe also with my hand. Okay, I'll parked here besides of R17 bike. Next one is a victorious army tank here, so I'll trying this victorious army tank, so let's go. Okay, I will park here besides a multifunctional backhoe. There is the next one is a Spider-Man famous car, so I'll trying this Spider-Man car also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of army tank here. Okay, there is the last one is a big Tata truck, so I'll trying this big Tata truck also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of Spider-Man 2 car. So guys, here is all of toys I will hand driving with my hand, and there is the ending my video for today, and see you soon with next time with many colorful of toys. Thank you so much.